FPGAs have been associated with long development cycles and costly components. The truth is, an FPGA can help accelerate development of next-gen products that rely on high-speed streaming data for many different applications, especially in the medical field. In this interview, DornerWorks FPGA engineer Scott Gauche explains the benefit of using FPGAs in developing medical devices, and how DornerWorks is helping one customer accelerate development with a capable AMD Xilinx FPGA-based solution that meets their product goals in performance and cost. Tell me about a medical project you developed with an FPGA.
The benefit of the FPGA for the video pipeline is the low latency. FPGA brings that low latency to the camera system, because if you're working on a patient, if you have lag in the video that your eye can see and you can't really see what your hands are actually doing, that'd be difficult.
How did you mitigate risk in that project from the beginning?
Yeah, so phase one was helping to figure out some of the Xilinx PCIe XDMA performance. XDMA is the Xilinx IP for PCIe. They are integrating to another device for passing video, and they weren't sure what the performance of passing that video data across the PCIe bus would be. So that was the main goal of phase one, was risk mitigation of what performance can we achieve? Are we going to meet our goals?
What lessons did you learn transitioning from development to the production hardware?
Phase two, basically the cost targets for what they were trying to achieve were going to be too high, using multiple Zinc Scale Plus devices in their system. So Xilinx has a pre-production IP called Thunderbus, which is basically, it extends an AXI bus across a gigabit transceiver link from one chip to another. So we're using it to control AXI-Lite devices or AXI-Lite IP on another FPGA from the more expensive Zinc Scale Plus, so that FPGA down the chain can be a little lower cost and not have to have a PS or processor built into it. And then kind of benchmarking the performance of Thunderbus. Are we going to be able to achieve interrupt timing, controlling all the different video IP that we've integrated? Are we going to be able to pass overlay data back and forth between the two FPGAs? You know, we're working with 4K video, so that's a lot of data that is being transferred between the two systems. So that's kind of the goal of phase two, is benchmarking Thunderbus and making sure we can meet our goals there.